Meaning of knowing.
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 Knowing. The concept of knowing generally refers to having information or understanding about something. It can involve acquiring knowledge through experience, learning, observation, or other means. Knowing can also involve the ability to recognize and identify information, as well as to apply it in different contexts. The exact definition and understanding of knowing can vary depending on the specific context in which it is used, but it is generally considered to be a fundamental human capacity that plays an important role in cognition, decision-making, and problem-solving.